Hello students, in this video we will discuss some another type of angles. Some another types of angles. Here first angle is complementary angle. Complementary angle. What is the complementary angle? Complementary angle is nothing but if sum of two angles is equal to right angle, that means 90 degree, then we can say that both angles are complementary angles. Means sum of two angles is 90 degree. Sum of two angles is 90 degree, then both angles will be complementary. Second angle is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Supplementary angle is nothing but sum of two angles is right angle. That means sum of two angles is straight angle. That means 180 degree, known as supplementary angle. Means sum of two angles is 180 degree. Then both angles will be supplementary angles. Both angles represent by a figure. Suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. If angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90, therefore angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. And supplementary, suppose this is two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, and if angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180, then angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Now third type of angle is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. What is the vertically opposite angle? Vertically opposite angle is nothing but if two lines intersect each other, like this. Suppose this is AB line and this is the CD line, and both lines intersect to each other at P, then angle 1 and angle 2 are vertically opposite angle, and angle 3 and angle 4 are also vertically opposite angle. And by the definition of vertically opposite angles, angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. We can see here proof of angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Right here how to prove, since angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree by the definition of supplementary angle. As you see here, angle 1 plus angle 4, these two angles form a straight line, and as you know that straight line form a supplementary angle, means 180 degree angle, and angle 1 plus angle 3 is also 180 degree because angle 1 plus angle 3 make a straight line, this BPA, so the whole angle will be 180 degree. Since from both equations angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3, we can write, because RHS of both equations are same, angle 1 and angle 1 will be cancelled, therefore angle 3 equal to angle 4. Similarly we can write angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. So we can say that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now fourth type of angle is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles is nothing but if two angles if two angles, sum of two angles is 180 degree, sum of two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, if angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree, then angle 1 and angle 2 both are linear pair of angles. Since in this supplementary angle, in this equation, we should be make separate angles. That means angle 1, if angle 1 equal to 45 degree and angle 2 equal to suppose 135 degree, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180, then angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. And here also angle 1 plus angle 2, that means if angle 1 equal to 35 and angle 2 equal to 55 degree, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 means 35 plus 45, this will be 90, therefore angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. That means these angles, complementary and supplementary, both angles will be separate, but sum of both angles, if sum of both angles is 90 degree, then this is known as complementary, and if sum of both angles is 180 degree, then this is known as supplementary angle. In the linear pair, sum of both angles, but in this linear pair of angles, both angles should be have one common arm, and if the sum of both angles is 180 degree, then we can say that both angles are linear pair of angles. Next, fifth, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angle is nothing but if two angles have one common arm, then angles known as these angles known as adjacent angles. That is like this, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 form a straight line. Then this type of line, this type of angles A, B, C and C, B, D, both angles, angle 1 and angle 2 have one common arm BC, then these type of angles is known as adjacent angles. Now in the next video we will take some different type of topic.